Hello guys, this is Mathieu Techmoto here. How are you? Today will be the first episode of a new season. This will be about electric bicycles, e-bikes. I will be building a mid-drive electric assisted high-speed and performance bicycle. So this is the unboxing. We have the Bafang 1000 watt electric motor. This is the 6 volt little headlight, the motor mount, tie wraps, mounting bolts for the 46 tooth sprocket, thumb throttle, the EP1 the small manual, extension cable for the battery, the crank arms, more bolts, the brake levers with sensors. This came with the battery, so this is a cable for the conversion, 100 watt charger, and this will be the 52 volt 20 amps big battery, very heavy, and this is a 1000 watt hour battery for long range and distance, and 40 amps BMS. The first thing I will do today, it's about the motor itself. So I will show you. I just took a look at the bearings. Okay, this one is not so bad, and we have this big one here. It's easy to take off with a screwdriver, and there is almost no grease. So I will add some grease. This is a semi-synthetic grease for better longevity and reliability. I suggest wearing gloves, but sadly I don't have any, so I will get my hand a little dirty. I will just do like this in the bearing cover and put it back on like this, so you can carefully put it back with a little flat screwdriver, and I will do the same thing. Yeah. Yes. And you put back here with my dirty greasy hands. So this is part 1. So like this you'll be sure that the bearing have enough grease. Next we'll be removing these 6 Allen key bolts with electric tool, of course, and you just wiggle. Take care not to break the gasket underneath. There is a slight pin here, can be a little sticky. Now we will inspect to be sure there is enough grease. Okay, there is a small bearing just there with almost no grease. Let's go. A little grease here. Yes, you better put grease in there. I'll be putting grease on all the gear teeth like this. So this is a synthetic grease. This will be better in the cold weather if you ever do a bicycle in the winter. Put a small amount of grease in this little gear too. I guess it can make the motor more silent too. So we are putting back the 6 screws, Allen key screws. So we've done with greasing the bearings and the gears. There is only a small problem with my kit. Currently we have a worldwide bicycle shortage. So there is no bicycle to install too. I'm supposed to receive in 2 days. This sucks, but I can't wait to receive it. So for Monday and doing installation and ride it. So this is it for this episode of Mathieu Tech Moto. Thank you for watching. I'll be back when I receive the bicycle. Thank you and have a nice day.